So we start off today's video with someone who has shoulder length, wavy textured hair, and bam, beautiful pixie undercut transformation. Loving the line parting design on the side. Very edgy and modern way to rock a pixie haircuts. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some short haircuts and hair transformations. So here we have someone doing a DIY haircuts. These are always my favorite to watch. So exhilarating watching other people cut their hair. So it looks like she's going to be doing a bit of a buzz cut. And then we move into the next transformation. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like the stylist ended up doing like an asymmetrical pixie bob cut. This is a really interesting style. I think that the color is really gorgeous as well. It's kind of like a golden blonde. Very unique haircut and color combination. So then we move on to the next style. Looks like she's rocking out the wolf cut trend. Bangs in the front, lots of gorgeous texture and layers. And then we have another long too short, so she has hair just past her shoulders. It looks like the stylist is going to be putting in a bob. Beautiful, fresh, effortless bob haircuts. Nice, simple, and chic. So then we see someone with long mid-back length hair. Looks like the stylist is putting in some layers. I love her makeup, so pretty. Adding some textures with this curl, wow, gorgeous. Her hair is so good. So then we move on to something that's a little bit more of a classic. Beautiful mini bob haircuts. Mixing in some color to bring out the shape. Gorgeous. And you can classify this style as a mini bob or a pixie bob. So next up we have another cut and color transformation. So she has a bit of a faded cut here. looks like she's going mint green. Wow, what a unique color. So comment down below, would you ever rock mint green hair? Wow, that actually looks stunning. Love her makeup and everything. Just such a gorgeous way to rock your hair. So pretty. And then we see this shaggy wolf cut curly style. Very popular hair trend for 2023. Loving all the texture within this cut. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you guys have enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.